Hello everyone, today I'll be making a very useful video about increasing the size of the time icon on your smartphone. I'm referring to the time that's in the top left corner of your phone and doesn't do a whole tournament. This means that wherever you go, for example, when I go to settings, Sarto, the time stays the same, Sarto. Regardless of which app you're in, you see it constantly. Bantamo. Not above me. In most cases, on almost all smartphones, it's very, very small. Firstly, it's inconvenient, especially if you're walking outside. In sunny weather, you need to check the time. And here, it's very hard to see. Plus, some people have vision problems, and it's not very convenient to look closely at the text or the time because it's so small. Well, I just moved it closer to the camera now, but a little further away, and it's really small. Yes, basically on smartphones, if you set a time on the lock screen, you can make it bigger or smaller, and so on days actually and so on. But this is a screen lock. You wouldn't, for example, log a Sunday screen just to check the time. Usually, when you're using your phone, you don't have a lock. And now I'll show you a universal solution that will work with almost any smartphone. It doesn't matter what model, Xiaomi, Samsung, Meizu, Infinix, all of these models can do this without a problem. And in principle, I'll repeat again, almost any smartphone has these functions. Haha. Now I'll tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends so more. By the way, we'll do 2 or even 3 things at once that will be useful for using your smartphone. And this will concern not only the time but other settings as well. So what do we need to do? We need to find the usual standard settings. Click on them. Plus, we need to find information about the phone or information about the phone or. Click on it. Next, we need to find the version of your firmware. For Samsung phones or some other models, the build number is usually given month. You need to quickly click on the build number several times, about 4 or 5 times. Press. See, it tells me I don't need it. You're already a developer. In your case, if this is your first time doing this, it will tell you, congratulations, you're now a developer. Now look, let's go back to the main menu. Now let's go to settings again, so you don't get confused. And in the main menu, look for advanced settings. I'll immediately answer the question that a lot of people write, that I don't have advanced settings. That means you simply have a system section, and these settings will be there. It may also be called system settings. It may be called phone information check advanced settings. There too, go there. And at the very bottom, this line should appear, assault for developers. Go there. Now look here. You will in principle have a lot of settings. You need to scroll through and find the setting that concerns the minimum width. Well, that's what it's called on mine. Minimum width. On other phones, it may be called something else. Please look where you have some numbers at the bottom, and usually it says either DP or DPI. This is the value. You see, right now I have this for example. It can be different. For some, it might be 500. For others, 460, 420, maybe less, maybe more. The smaller this value, the larger your time value will be. And you don't have to be afraid to click on this setting. You can change it back at any time. And there's nothing wrong with that. Look, click on the minimum width. A window like this will appear. Take and delete it. I'll tell you right away that I use the number 371. This is, let's say, well, for me personally, this is the ideal for text and icons. You can, in principle, try some other values, enter more, less, well, and see which values work best for you. And now watch how everything will be transformed. Pay attention to the time icon. Here's the time on the left side. I set it to 3:01, and now I press OK. And you see how much the time increases. Now we press OK. It's about 3 times larger. That is, it's already much larger. And it's already at arm's length. Well, it's already clearly visible. Plus, if you notice, the font has changed. Or rather, not the font, but the text itself has become larger. You see, it's easy to read. It's such a size, let's say both small and not small. Quite comfortable for any reading. And for example, if I go back, you see the transformation, icons themselves, they've also become larger. If we go to the settings, look, the text itself, it's become larger. Well, not exactly big, but it's perfectly legible. Has already become more comfortable to use the smartphone. In general, choose a value for yourself. Perhaps not 311 there will suit you, but a little larger or smaller. I'll answer the question of those users who might ask, why do I need such large icons, or for example such large letters? Well, some people don't like it, for example. So you've increased the time, but in doing so you've also increased the font and enlarged the icons on your smartphone so that the time remains reads unchanged. I mean, it will remain the same size, so but to return these fonts and these font sizes to their previous sizes, you just need to type size in the settings search and first find the icon size, click it, and you'll see the average value. Yes, if you're not happy with this size, just return it there or make it smaller. Make it small. There you go. There you go. Let's go back. You'll see that all the icons are now the same size as at the beginning of the video, but the time remains large. Next, there's the second setting, which concerns size. This is the size of the letters you see, that is the text size. Similarly, type the size and find the text size is. You see that text size is currently set to small. For some, it will be the default or some other value won't as. If you need to return to the original values, the ones before increasing, this time use the smallest one, and thus as your text size immediately changes, it becomes smaller. But let me point out again that we've achieved a time value that's about that's 4, that's the usual. And this is a really good setting because we check the time 1000 times a day. I'll tell you right away that there's another xiaomi, but it requires, let's say, a very long search. That is, you have to sit and search. There are certain themes for smartphones where this specific time, that is, the icon for this time is much larger than usual. So you need to press and hold on the screen, and a menu like this will appear. Click on this icon on the left side, and it will take you to the wallpaper mobile. You need to click on themes and search specifically by theme. You'll see that time icons are larger or smaller somewhere. But you'll have to search for a long time, honestly, because in almost all themes, these icons are very small. But if you do find them, they'll be larger. You need to devote some time to this. If you find an icon that suits you, you install that theme, but it's possible that other icons will change as well. In that case, you'll need to install that theme anyway. Next, the second step is to go to the smiley face and find your components. At the very bottom, click here, and here's where the status bar is. Just simply select just the status bar. You'll end up with the default theme, the default icons, but the status bar itself will have a different appearance. Just share in the comments how you maximize your time and how you use it, and maybe you use it like cool theme. Okay, write the name of the topic where all these icons related to time, battery, Wi-Fi, network, and so on are enlarged.